Whenever I cover a voice model on this channel, my European viewers flood the comments wishing for better coverage of their languages, and honestly, they have had every right to complain. While English TTS has soared ahead with commercial giants like ElevenLabs, anyone wanting high quality voice synthesis in German, Polish, or dozens of other beautiful European languages has faced slim pickings in the open source world. This is where this Google Open Audio is trying to help. It's a new entry that's, I think, worth paying attention to. In human preference testing, it outperformed ElevenLabs with a 78% win rate. That shows that open source models can now compete with the best proprietary systems in the industry. They also have this GitHub repo. This model is built on Microsoft's Vibe Voice architecture and trained on 200,000 hours of speech data from 23 European languages. And let me quickly show you the list of languages it supports. These are the ones, which is quite comprehensive in the sense, given the geography of Europe, I think it covers almost all of the major European languages, and I'm more than sure this list is going to grow more. So let's get installed and we will also test it out how exactly this works. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. Please like the video and subscribe and consider becoming a member. Please also follow me on X if you're looking for AI updates without any hype. I am going to use this Ubuntu system. I have this GPU card NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. If you're looking to rent a GPU or CPU or even any sort of virtual machine, you can find the link to Massed Compute in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for range of GPUs. Now let's git clone the repo of KugelAudio and get this thing installed. And Kugel is a German word, I believe, and it means ball or sphere. If you're a German native, please correct me if I am wrong. Okay, everything is installed. Let's now start the Gradio demo from the root of the repo. And then it starts this KugelAudio web interface locally or at port 7860. And now we can access it in the browser. So let's access it. And there you go. So KugelAudio is now running. Let's test it out. And the first time when you run this, it downloads the model, as you can see. And first time what I'm doing, I have just given it this Polish text. And I know that this is some sort of a tongue twister in Polish language. So I would let our Polish viewers to comment on this. So let's wait for it to finish and then we will test it out. So this is a simple text to synthesize, text to speech. We will also check out the voice cloning after this. Okay, it has done it. Let me play it. How's that? And I know that that voice might be a bit low because it is coming out of my speaker. For some reason, it's not working in my remote one. Maybe I'll download it and play it in the browser for you. Okay, now let me play it in the browser.
Szczebrzeszynie chrząszcz brzmi w trzcinie.
What do you think? Okay, let's try out another one. I'm just going to give it this sentence and I'm just going to upload one of the sample audio. Let me first play the original reference audio.
Happiness is a fleeting feeling that can be found in life's simplest moments. A warm conversation with a loved one, a beautiful...
So this is a voice sample, should be around 5 to 30 seconds of good quality, and it already has done the cloning. Let me play the cloned one.
Gdzie jest najbliższy sklep spożywczy? Potrzebuję kupić chleb i mleko.
I think that was perfect. Really, really good cloning. What do you think? Another thing is that you can also verify the watermark in this one. So let's maybe download this audio one, and I'll just go here and then maybe in the downloads one where it has just generated this, let's check the watermark. They say that it is imperceptible. It says no watermark detected. I have just created the audio from their tool and it says it wasn't generated by this. Let's try out the previous one, audio one, check watermark. Nope, so they can't do it. So this one is not working. I'm not sure. I will let them comment on this. Okay, so let's try out another language. Okay, next up I'm going to do this Bulgarian one, and this is about the rose oil and yogurt, so I'm sure that my Bulgarian viewers are going to enjoy this. Let me generate the speech and we will check the VRAM consumption. So it is consuming close to 19 gig of VRAM. The model is bit large, but I think the quality is quite good, so make sure that you have this much VRAM in order to run it. Let's run this Bulgarian one. Добре дошли в България. Насладете се на розовото масло и киселото мляко на. So did you recognize the voice? This is my voice because this is the reference audio I gave it to the model. So let me run the reference. Joy is found in simple moments of gratitude. So see, the voice quality of this audio file is not that good, but still it was able to do quite a good job. So the claim that it is at par or even better than 11 Labs doesn't really seem too far-fetched to me, but I will let you be the judge. Let's try out few more languages. And now I'm trying out this Danish.
Kom og ny hyggen, tag en smørbrød og slap af ved pejsen.
What do you think? Looks good to me. And this is a French.
Rien ne vaut un croissant frais de la boulangerie un dimanche matin paresseux à Paris.
Yep, I will let you be the judge. And this is Spanish.
Rien ne vaut une tournée de tapas nocturne dans les rues de Saint-Sébastien.
Yeah, pretty good. And now let's do Italian. And by the way, as per their model card, they have said that the quality varies significantly by languages. So Spanish, French, English, and German have the strongest representation in their training data. And other languages may have reduced quality, prosody, or vocabulary, depending on the availability in their training dataset. But so far, it looks okay.
Una lasagna fatta in casa dalla cucina della nonna batterà sempre qualsiasi cosa tu possa trovare in un ristorante.
Okay, not bad at all. And I have a lot of German viewers too who never have invited me for a cold beer, so this is for them. Okay, so I think this is English. Let me translate it into German. Okay, let's play this one.
Eine hausgemachte Lasagne aus Omas Küche wird immer alles schlagen, was du in einem Restaurant finden kannst.
Not bad. Let's do the Portuguese. And for Portuguese, I'm also going to give it some Portuguese audio to see how exactly this works. I think I have some Portuguese audio here. So let's generate it and I will play it for you.
Nos momentos mais simples da vida. Uma conversa calorosa com ente querido, belo pôr do sol.
Let's see the resultant one.
Pôr do sol sobre a costa do Algarve com copo de vinho do Porto é puro paraíso.
So you see, voice cloning is really very good. I think this is one of the best I have seen this year. Okay, let's do a few more languages. Okay, next up, let's quickly do the Dutch one. And if you're that language speaker, you have to please tell me in the comments what do you think.
Niets verslaat een fietsrit door de tulpenvelden op een frisse lenteochtend.
Okay, cool. Let's do maybe Russian. Let's play this.
Тарелка борща после долгой прогулки по снегу в Москве самое то.
Cool. And now let's do the Ukrainian one.
Миска гарячих вареників з кисленькою сметаною в холодний київський вечір – це датир.
Cool. Let's do the Czech Republic.
Nik nebije studené pilsner urkvel přímo z kohoutku v pražském hospodě.
Cool. Let's do the Romanian. And this talks about some sarmale and mamaliga. I have no idea what this food is. Please enlighten me in the comments if you're from Romania.
A plate of fresh sambal and mamalika after a long drive.
Sorry, I think I just put it in English. Let me translate it into the Romanian and then put it here.
O farfurie de gulaș pe malul Dunării într-o noapte rece la Budapesta încălzește sufletul meu.
Okay, so this seems like to me Budapest. Doesn't seem like Romanian. I think I have mixed it. You know what? Let me do this Hungarian one first. Or maybe, hang on. Sorry, yeah, that's correct. This is a Hungarian one, so I'll just try it out. So let's first check Hungarian and then we will do Romanian again.
Egy tányér a Duna partján, egy hideg budapesti éjszakán felmelegíti a lelket fagyán.
But it looks great, really, seriously. There you go. So this is the Romanian.
O farfurie cu sarmale proaspete și mămăligă după o călătorie lungă prin Transilvania este
Okay, let's finally do the Turkish round from Istanbul. Let's see what it says. Let me play the Turkish.
İstanbul'da bir sabah fırından çıkan simit ile bir bardak çay ile baş başa kalmak her şeydir.
Now, as it is based on Vibe Voice from Microsoft, it also can do emotion. So I've just converted this angry dialogue. So let's play it.
I can't believe you did that! This is completely unacceptable. I want an explanation right now.
It's good. Okay, let's see if it can sing. I'm just going to give it that twinkle, twinkle little star to see if it can sing.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky.
Okay, so there is a music to end, just in the fashion of that Vibe Voice which we checked. Not there yet, but I think not bad at all too. I mean, things are moving quite fast. Okay, let's see if it can do the shouting. Again, just in the words. I'm not specifying any other thing.
The house is on fire! Get out now!
Yeah, not bad. Let's do the radio announcer one or a podcaster one. Let me play this for you.
And that's all for today's program, folks. Coming up next on Channel 5, the one and only evening news at 10 over.
That was really good. And finally, listen to this.
Darling, let me hold your hand and whisper something sweet to you. Like the video, let your heart guide you. Subscribe to Bob's channel and become a member. Trust me, once you're in this world, you'll never want to leave my side.
You guys don't listen to me, at least listen to her. Thank you for all the support.